Hi everyone, today we have with us Arijit. Arijit have converted TISS, one of the top colleges in India, with 2 years का gap. तो Arijit, मुझे I want to know that story. ऐसा क्या जादू चलाया आपने that you converted TISS, and what is the process for TISS, how good the TISS is. We'll talk about all these things, and especially the cutoffs, because last date is coming, whether I should apply or not. We'll start with the background first. Where are you from?
So my name is Arijit and I'm representing the Aspirants Relations and Branding Committee of TISS HRM and LR program. So I am from Bihar basically, and I have my graduation in Mathematics Honours, BSc Mathematics from Delhi University, and after that I have 2 years ka gap like you said sir, and during those 2 years I was preparing for B School entrance examinations. I converted I had calls from some IIMs but I wasn't sure about that. So in the end I started preparing for tests. I took it very seriously, right, and I prepared really well for the examination, for the PI as well, and last year we had a GD, so I prepared for that as well. Also
so we'll come back to that detail in detail. पहले तो मुझे टेस्ट का प्रोसेस बताओ यार, CUT है कि CAT है, what is going on?
So sir, like we got selected through CUET. उससे पहले TISSNET था.
Last year there was a TISSNET, then last year CUET, and this year CAT.
This year we are having CAT for the TISS HRM and LR program, which is the flagship program of this college.
Yes. So for HR you have the TISS for the CAT program.
Yes.
In fact there are 3 program total with their accepting CAT, and for every other program CUT is there. So CUT भी है, दोनों है.
CUT भी है. Yes.
So right. So we have to for other programs. So वो link मैंने description box में डाल दिया. You can check out the link for which program, which exam they are accepting.
Yes.
Okay. So why TISS? TISS में आपको ऐसा क्या दिखा? Apart from obviously the highest good job and placement.
Like it's not about ROI. Like of course ROI is a thing to consider, but that is not the only thing that TISS boasts about. We have such a vibrant culture. You know, you'll find people from all cultural backgrounds, social backgrounds. You get to learn a lot from other courses as well, from other schools as well, and your perspective changes as an individual, right? How you walk in and how you walk out. In between, what happens, those two things. So you become an entirely, evolved version of yourself, a more sophisticated individual. And I had connected with a lot of people from TISS. So I knew the kind of crowd that comes there. It's amazing. So considering all those aspects, I chose TISS over any other college.
Correct. So when we say you've taken the gap year of 2 years,
yes.
So obviously you will be apprehensive. क्या होगा interview में क्या नहीं होगा. So how you handle that? So what was your answer for why you took a gap year?
So gap year में of course there is pressure कि क्या होगा, you don't have any certainty in your mind, but I was sure कि if I put my best foot forward, and we all know TISS is like the TISS HRM and LR program is the best. So whatever has happened, but now if I give my best and if I convert TISS HRM and LR, it's going to the best thing. So that was the mindset that I had in the back of my mind, and that is how I worked.
You prepare for that. So if I prepare well for the interview, I can convert a good college, even though I have a gap.
Yes, even if I have 2 years of gap. We have people in our batch who have got like 3 or 4 years of gap, right? So gap year is not going to be an issue if you work really hard.
Correct.
Right. So
anyone who is saying that कि because उसका gap था वो convert नहीं कर पाया, please do listen to them. देखा वो interview में perform नहीं कर पाया वो बोलो. If you are reach the interview table, I think everyone have equal chance to convert. 100%. And TISS don't give any weightage for the academic record, your profile.
Yes.
So it's like weightage is 80% CAT score.
CAT score is 95 for the initial shortlisting. 95% CAT.
Round 1 CAT 95% and 5%
for gender diversity.
So last date is coming now. If you want to apply, you have to think from that point of view. There is no weightage for academic record. There is no weightage for your work experience.
No.
So everyone have equal chance if you score well. We'll talk about the cutoffs in some time. And then once I get a call.
Once you get a call, the final shortlisting, merit listing will be done on 70-20-10. So 70% is for CAT score again, 20% is the online PI process, and 10% is for your graduation marks. Correct. So once you join the college, yes.
So next part will be the cutoff part.
Yes.
वो आप नहीं बता पाएंगे because obviously you have no idea.
This is the first time they are
accepting CAT score. So I made some estimated cutoff. So that's again no one can predict क्या होने वाला है. But that's my estimate. I will show the photo, so you can see a photo on the screen. So you can check this I think is a cutoff. For example, if I say 97 percentile to 95 percentile should be the cutoff. उसके आजू बाजू होना चाहिए. Open category 97 percentile. EWS OBC you can see on the screen. These are my estimated cutoffs from the TISS point of view. उसके नीचे भी हो सकता है. Of course we don't know because the first time people are not even aware of that, because earlier TISS used to be in the end. The process used to be late, but now the process is very early.
Very early, yes.
So TISS is becoming like SPGen, MDI, FMS. It's already at par with them. But if you change the process, then I think it's good for the college as well. In the long run, it will help. But because now we have less time to apply, so if your scores are matching or at par or around these scores, you can apply for TISS safely.
Yes,
right.
Sure.
So if I look at the journey, your journey from the exam point of view, from gap year again because that's one of the main factor which I find in your case.
Yes.
Intro में obviously they asked you कि gap क्यों लिया, ये क्यों किया, आपने answer क्या दिया?
So, like, if I had to say one thing, I said that I have worked on myself in those 2 years. I worked really hard on myself. I worked on be it my communication skill, be it my interpersonal skill, how I connect with people. So I had to show things, right? Like how I prepared for the interview, the knowledge that I had grasped into those 2 years, right? I had my strength zones. Of course, I had my weak zones, but I also leveraged my weak zone. Like these are my weak zones. I've identified those, and I'm still working on them. So if you manage to leverage your strength zones and do not shy away from your weak zones, so that is something that I worked on and really worked for my benefit.
Correct. And having a gap year does not mean you're not qualified.
Yes,
It's just
of
how you
course.
answer the question is important. So you
Yes.
work on yourself, do a few certification courses.
Yeah, sure.
So वो कर लो तो gap भरना basically, खाली नहीं दिखाना.
Yes.
क्या किया, दो साल बस तैयारी किया. That's the wrong answer.
That's
I
the
was
wrong
working on
answer, of
something. So all the best for that.
Thank you, sir.
Last is coming.
Thank you
If
so
you want to apply, we also created a WhatsApp group. So please join the group for this preparation. All the best.
Thank you, sir.